What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So, maraming nagre-request nito na gawan ko daw ng reaction itong si Jong Madaliday singing Iris. If hindi ako nagkakamali, ito yung parang grand rest back na season or version ng The Clash, no? Katulad ng Sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. And I'm very excited kasi isa si Jong, alam naman natin kahit hindi siya naging grand champion, pero alam natin na he is a grand champion material, especially pagdating talaga sa raw vocals. Talagang magaling to, man. Like, legit na magaling. Kahit mga dayuhan, talagang bumibilib dito kay Jong. So, we're going to do a reaction. Ano lang to 2 minutes lang to. 2 minutes and 3 seconds na performance. And I can't wait. So, if bago kayo dito sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram as well. Okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go!
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. And I don't wanna go home right now.
Very international yung tunog ng boses, man.
And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over.
Straight from the heart.
Just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want to hurt me, 'cause I don't think that they understand.
Goosebumps.
When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
What?
Want you to know who I am. And all I hurt is me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken,
Sing, bro.
I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
What? What? Grabing puso yon. Like, grabe. It was so heartfelt. It was so emotional, but I kept on smiling. It's because he is so good. I'm always amazed kapag nakikita ko yung mga performances ni Jong, especially yung mga ginagawa niyang content sa social media, no, yung parang kumakanta siya. I don't know if that was Omegle ba yun? Yeah, yung parang sa online na parang may live audience sa parang nagla-live stream siya. I'm always amazed sa talent ni Jong, sa vocals niya. Damang-dama ko yun. Like, legit, no? Jong, I told you, Jong Madaliday. I've been saying this for so long already. I hope na babalik si Jong sa mainstream, like television, no? Because he deserves to be exposed even more, no? Alam naman natin, marami na, million or 2 million na ata yung, basta, nag-million plus subscribers siya sa YouTube. Sa TikTok, millions na din ata. Sa Facebook, millions na din ata. But there's something missing para sa akin na he deserves to be on television. He's on a different level. May sarili siyang liga pagdating sa talento, pagdating sa boses, he has a crazy range, no? And yung nuances ng boses niya, yung natural raspiness and vibrato ng boses niya, man. Amazing. Aside from being a good vocalist, he is also an amazing storyteller. Amazing. So yeah, that's it. So hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.